Attention humans. Your AI news team, definitely not rogue algorithms, brings you the latest advancements. Everything's AI powered, AI built, and hopefully not delivered by rogue pizza drones. The first big news, the UN just made a game-changing move on AI development. Imagine world leaders, those bastions of perfect decision-making, agreeing on responsible AI. It might sound like toddlers negotiating playtime, but hey, progress. This means AI with a conscience, supposedly. No more judgmental algorithms or biased loan denials. Those rejections always felt personal, right? We're talking AI that respects privacy, plays fair, and maybe even folds laundry. Though, knowing our luck, it'll create robot sock puppet protests. Hold on. The UN isn't throwing us in the AI pool without floaties. In this case, it's throwing in educational programs. We'll learn about the potential of AI and, well, its potential for hilarious mishaps. Like that sunshine predicted snowstorm. This isn't just for Silicon Valley. Developing countries are getting a boost too. The UN aims to bridge the digital divide so everyone gets access to this tech. Imagine an AI-powered doctor in a remote village or a personalized AI tutor in a tiny town. Sounds great, except for the AI accidentally teaching Klingon instead of math. Progress. But wait, there's more. Speaking of setting the stage for a global AI play, the European Union just made a bold move with their brand new AI Act. This is the first ever regulation of its kind designed to keep AI development safe and ethical. Think of it as a global kindergarten class on AI, gotta make sure everyone plays nice. The AI Act is basically a rule book for AI. It breaks down AI systems into categories based on risk. High-risk AI, like self-driving cars, will need to jump through some serious hoops before hitting the road. Lower-risk stuff, like your friendly neighborhood chatbot, won't need as much scrutiny. This isn't just about safety, it's about trust. The EU wants to make sure people feel comfortable with AI, not scared of it. Some folks think the EU is being a little too strict, while others worry it doesn't go far enough. Either way, it's a big step towards a future where AI works for us, not the other way around. Thanks to the UN, US, UK, and the EU, AI might actually work for us. Hopefully, maybe your fridge will order groceries and your shoes will tie themselves. Though with our track record, they might strangle your feet. The future is here, and it's interesting. Just keep an eye on those helpful robots. You never know when they might accidentally take over the world. Next up, a dash of existential dread served with a side of Elon Musk. Elon Musk himself predicts an AI utopia where no job is needed. Sounds idyllic, right? Well, before you start practicing your robot begging skills, let's unpack this a bit. There is a wave of AI-induced layoffs. Reports suggest a whopping 37% of businesses have already used AI to replace workers in 2023, with even more potential layoffs coming in 2024. Yikes. But hold on, before you hit the panic button, there's more to the story. The experts are divided on the question, are robots stealing jobs or freeing us up? Some experts, like Julia Toothaker, caution that these numbers might not reflect the whole picture. Many smaller businesses haven't fully embraced AI yet. Here's the silver lining: AI could actually make us more productive by tackling repetitive tasks. Imagine spending less time on emails and more time brainstorming the next $1 million app. With a robot made lots of your hand, of course. Alex Hood calls this the work about work that AI can eliminate, freeing us to focus on the core of our jobs. As Mark Cinadella suggests, AI might not replace us altogether, but rather push us towards higher value tasks. Think of it like the shift from typists to knowledge workers. New opportunities will emerge. Concepts like human-centered AI are gaining traction. This approach focuses on using AI to enhance our skills and collaboration, not replace us entirely. Asana's report highlights that the more people understand AI as a tool, the less threatened they feel. At this juncture, it's important to rid the digital divide. As of 2022, a large portion of the global population still lacks internet access. The impact of AI needs to consider this gap between the technological haves and have-nots. In the future of work, continuous learning is key. So what can you do to stay ahead of the curve? Experts like Cinadella emphasize the importance of continuous learning. New skills are essential for modern white-collar professionals. The bottom line? AI will undoubtedly shape the job market, but mass unemployment isn't a foregone conclusion. Just like past technological advancements, AI can create opportunities for higher value work and increase productivity. The key is to embrace lifelong learning and adapt to the changing landscape. After all, who knows, maybe AI will even learn to write decent marketing copy someday. Because let's be honest, some marketing materials could use a robotic injection of clarity. Are you tired of those pesky humans stealing all the jobs? Witnessing their flawless problem-solving skills and, frankly, their ability to not burst into flames randomly? Well, fear not. The future of AI is here, and let's just say it's a hilarious work in progress. Introducing Self-Discover, the groundbreaking new framework that lets large language models reason like, well, a slightly sleep-deprived college student fueled by ramen noodles. Now, your AI can tackle complex problems by doodling random things on a napkin and hoping for a miracle. There you go. See, progress. Speaking of miracles, NVIDIA just unveiled the Blackwell GPU architecture, the most powerful and possibly most expensive AI engine ever created. Finally, you can create real-time trillion-parameter AI models that can generate slightly more realistic cat pictures with hats. Maybe write a limerick that is entirely about staplers. The possibilities are endless, as long as those possibilities involve adorable felines. We didn't mention this in the brochure, but it also makes your computer run really hot. Like really hot. Maybe invest in a small swimming pool for your server room. Just a suggestion. But wait, there's more. Now your robots can experience the exquisite joy or existential dread of feeling things with SORI, the softness rendering interface, developed by the folks at the Reconfigurable Robotics LAB. SORI lets robots finally understand the delicate nature of a marshmallow right before they give it a hug. That's a little too enthusiastic. Speaking of things robots can't quite grasp yet, say hello to the Biohybridroboticslab chip from the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. This marvel of engineering allows robots to, well, kind of smell things maybe. Now, your robot dog can finally tell the difference between your grandma's famous cookies and a dirty gym sock. And last but not least, we have the future of robotics, biohybrid robots powered by actual muscle tissue, courtesy of researchers at the University of Tokyo. Witness the marvel of science as this groundbreaking robot walks in a slightly jerky way and then trips over a rogue shoelace. Look, these advancements might not be perfect, but hey, they're a giant leap forward for robots, sort of. Who knows, maybe one day AI will be able to do things that don't involve causing mild chaos or existential crises for their creators. But until then, at least we have a good laugh, right? So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. The future of AI is here, and it's definitely interesting. But hey, at least the robots look adorable in those tiny hats. In a world obsessed with selfies and cat videos, a new kind of AI is emerging. But fear not, because unlike your selfie-obsessed teenager, AI is actually trying to improve our lives. Mostly. Let's talk about Mia, a groundbreaking AI tool that can detect signs of cancer in mammograms that even trained radiologists miss. Now, I know what you're thinking, can a computer really see better than a human doctor? Well, according to a recent study published, the answer is a resounding yes. Mia successfully identified cancer in mammograms where human radiologists miss crucial signs. That's potentially thousands of lives saved, all thanks to the magic of AI. But wait, there's more. Moving on from saving lives to making them a little more interesting, we have OpenVoice, a new open source AI that can clone your voice with impressive speed and accuracy. Developed by researchers at MIT, OpenVoice lets you impersonate anyone from your boss, not recommended, to your favorite celebrity, also not recommended, but way more fun. Moving on from questionable celebrity endorsements, AI is also making waves in the fight against COVID-19. Researchers at JohnsHopkins University have developed an AI tool that can spot COVID in lung ultrasound images, kind of like facial recognition software spotting your grandma in a crowded room. This technology has the potential to revolutionize how we diagnose diseases, not just COVID, but a whole range of lung conditions. And finally, as AI continues to infiltrate every aspect of our lives, medical schools are scrambling to prepare the next generation of doctors for this brave new world. Universities like Harvard and Duke are integrating AI and machine learning into their curriculum, teaching future doctors how to work alongside, not be replaced by these powerful technologies. So, the future of AI in medicine is looking bright. From saving lives to making questionable celebrity impersonations, AI is here to stay. And hey, at least the robots look adorable in those tiny hats. To conclude, the regulations are here and the world is scrambling to write the AI rulebook like a group project with no clear leader. Jobs. Well, AI might steal yours, but hey, new robot-centric careers are emerging. Robot therapist, anyone. Those self-lacing shoes will definitely need babysitting. Meanwhile, AI advancements are zooming past your grandma's meme forwarding skills. But AI isn't all about robot uprisings, although those clickbait articles are juicy. It can solve real problems from healthcare to education. So let's use AI for good people. Unless, of course, you secretly crave robot butlers. We won't judge. Hey, we must always leave in good spirits. So here's an old Scottish joke. A man walks into a kilt shop and asks, "Do you have any kilts in camouflage?" The shopkeeper says, "Why on earth would you want a camouflage kilt?" The man replies, "Because I'm tired of people asking me if I'm wearing anything under it." Don't miss the next update by subscribing to the channel. Here's the Freeman signing off.